Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your signal light on this beautiful Ford F-150 2018. Let's get started. Our first step is going to be opening up right here these two, loosening them up. Make sure you have an 8mm wrench, and it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're going left. Here's one, and here's the other one. Once you're done removing the screws here, it's an easy snap out, but you might want to use a Phillips just to kind of give it a little push, and then it snaps right out. You need to wear clean gloves before you get started. Once you pop the case out, right here in the center is where you'll find your signal light. Twist to the left and it pops right out. See that? Once you grab it, pulls right out. Easy fix. Let's get in our new light, our upgrade. LED AUXITO lights. By opening up this package, easily reverse it, slide it out, voila, you got your new light. And let's compare halogen versus LED. Old school, needs to retire, gotta go, move on. We're going to upgrade LED, long lasting. Now I'm gonna show you how to put it right back in, real easy. Then we go right here, wide versus wide, and it clicks right in with a simple slide in, and you're done. Go ahead and match the pattern with the puzzle. She should sink right in. Twist to the left this time. You are done. Pop this in, and don't forget to put these back along with the lower one. Real tight, real fast, and you're done. All right guys, thanks for watching. Don't drive in the dark, switch to LED.